Yo, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my headphones in, so it probably sound weird, but this is a new video, man. Here looking kind of crazy, but this is basically like the first step, man. I'd have made it all the way from New York. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to go. All right, I had to pick up my truck in the Pennsylvania terminal. Then I had to pick up a load in New York, and the load was originally set for me to go to Flower Mound, Texas, or something like that. I ain't had time for that. I got classes I gotta get to. So yeah, I drove, I think in total like 1,400 miles, give or take a little bit. You know what I'm saying, including the pickup and drop off. So I just drove it straight to the terminal in Missouri, and yeah, I'm here, man. I got here with slick a day to spare, or like a couple days to spare, because I was supposed to get here. I'm supposed to. They wanted me to get here before Monday, because the classes started on Monday. But yeah, we ain't got time, you know what I'm saying? Or we had time, and I really, you know what I'm saying, I put the boot to the boot, and you know what I'm saying, I went ahead and knocked those miles out myself. But yeah, that's the first step. I wanted to check in. I'm about to go in there. I might hoop. I might, you know what I'm saying, get something to eat. I'm definitely getting something to eat because my stomach empty. But whether or not I hoop or not, that's still on the table. Yeah. All right, what's good, guys? It's been a couple days since my last installment or my last recording, but basically I got here way earlier than expected. You know what I'm saying? I put the pedal to the metal, you know what I'm saying? And I probably shouldn't have, but I'm glad I did, man, because you know what I'm saying, I had some good meals, played some good hoops and stuff. But today, I got actually in a couple of minutes. In a couple of minutes, I'm head inside. I gotta head inside for an interview. Not an interview. I gotta head inside for an meeting with the fleet manager for Intermodal. Then tomorrow, I got a meeting for logs. You know what I'm saying? At the same time tomorrow, 1:30. But yeah, other than that, I'm just giving y'all a little update. It's like 1:20. I don't know if y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Daffy. It's 1:17. 1:20. I gotta head inside and call a dude so I can give me like instructions on where to go inside the building, because I've never been on a tour of the place. So yeah, this should be exciting. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. What's going on, guys, man? It's your boy Thuggish, man. It's been a little day. It's been a couple days since the last time y'all seen me. Since the last time I checked in. But basically what happened is, as you can see, I got the hat. I knocked out my classes, man. You know what I'm saying? I knocked out my classes, and then what they did was they got me a rental car back to Georgia. And it was a smooth process. I didn't have to pay any out-of-pocket costs. You know what I'm saying? They took care of that. I drove from Missouri to Georgia. You know what I'm saying? You heard that right. 10 hours. You know what I'm saying? 9 hours, almost 10 hours. But I'm gonna just say 10 hours, bro. You know what I'm saying? It was a drive. I knocked it out overnight, bro. I ended up because I ended up waking up late. I ended up having to push my time back because I had to clean out my truck, everything, and then turn it in. They wanted me to stay for the truck inspection, but yeah, I couldn't do that because they was talking about they allot 2 hours for it, and I was like, no, you know what I'm saying, because I was already late, and if I waited that 2 hours, it was gonna like legit. I was probably gonna only get back at like 6 o'clock. I ended up getting back at like 4. If I'm being for real, like 4, almost 5 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? I only stopped one time to fill up gas, and that was like at the halfway point. But anyway, that's besides the point. I got here last night. I went to sleep, woke up, and right when I woke up to an email. You know what I'm saying? The email said I'm start training on Tuesday, and you're gonna train me for 1 week, and my trainer, he has my truck keys already. So as soon as I get finished training, gonna put me in my own truck, and then we're gonna be on the road. We're gonna be rolling, man. I'm pretty sure it's paid training. I didn't ask, you know what I'm saying? It was an email, so I didn't really ask any questions about that, but you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. I might end it on this video, on this installment, because this is like the intro. I think I'll start recording again once I start training and everything. Once I, you know what I'm saying? But then, because this is like I'm gonna go into like a new aspect. You know what I'm saying? A new part of the trucking. But yeah, this is like the intro to it. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed the video, you know what I'm saying, leave a like, comment. If you have any questions, let me know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we in Intermodal now. We in Intermodal.